The future of work is virtual. Hi, my name is Wolf. I'm the CEO and founder of Host Magi, a managed WordPress web hosting company. And I know that's a bold statement, but I feel confident in making it. See, I've been working in virtual reality for more than 6 years. And almost 2 years ago, I switched my entire company to complete virtual reality workplace. Every member of my team spends the vast majority of their time working in a virtual environment. There are a few things we still have to do outside of VR, but those are few and far between. So, this channel is for anybody who is curious about working in virtual reality, anybody who wants to know the ins and outs of it. So, whether you are a business owner looking to maybe convert your team to virtual reality, maybe you're a freelancer or a part of a team who wants to try to be more productive and or just intrigued by working in virtual reality. We'll cover everything from reviews, tips, tricks, tutorials on both the software and hardware side of virtual reality. And we will also cover the practical sides of working in virtual reality. So you'll see videos about how to overcome the challenges, the pitfalls, the pros and the cons of working in VR. You'll learn about the benefits and the drawbacks. You'll learn about how to set up your virtual work environment and your physical work environment to be productive in virtual reality. You'll learn all the tips and tricks that you need to be successful as a virtual reality worker from somebody who has done this for a very, very long time. In fact, it is my belief that Host Magi is the first company to ever go 100% virtual reality workplace. So please like, subscribe, and follow so that you get all the latest videos and notifications when we upload new content. And also head over to our Host Magi channel and subscribe to that for great videos on WordPress, web hosting, web design, web development, small business, SEO, and more.